It's time now for a stock of the hour. British software manufacturer Micro Focus International fell the most in almost 7 years today after reporting lower than expected sales. The company also predicted a drop in future sales, as well as in its recently acquired HPE software business. Joining us now with more is Taylor Riggs.
And now those shares down to their lowest in almost 2 years. We have a long year chart showing it's a pretty significant drop today. The HPE software business they acquired last year. Now in that unit, revenue came in at the lower end of guidance, and they're forecasting now for the year ended in October, sales could fall for the group anywhere from 2 to 4%. HPE software makes up about half of the total revenue, at least in this recently 6-month reported period. So if that comes in lower than expected or on the bottom end, that will be a drag on the overall group's top line growth. One analyst from Investec kind of put it all into perspective. He said his main concern is playing out earlier than expected. You're seeing a material top line declines coming through due to the size of this integration that perhaps is shifting the company's focus away from just growing revenue and worried about integrating all of that business. The company also did talk about regional growth as well. In the Americas, in this recently reported sector, you had about half of revenue coming from the Americas. That's not a huge decline from previous periods, but it's a small decline. And the CEO saying that there are areas they would like to improve, highlighting sales execution in the Americas specifically.
Taylor, I mean, this is the biggest tech company here in the UK after that purchase. Are they planning to expand any further?
Yeah, Mark, reading through the call, the transcript of the call, the CEO did talk a lot about future growth. We have a chart showing how big this company really is. Even after the market declines today, they are surpassing Sage Group as the biggest tech company. A lot of those employees came from HPE software, but they did some high-profile moves to show that they're still excited about growth. They moved Mike Phillips, who was the CFO, now to this newly created position of Director of Mergers and Acquisitions, and the CEO saying that they're still hunting for new deals and still see lots of opportunities with him in that new role.